Hi everyone, we'll go back to reaction with Director Carson. Before I get to tell you for the next one, I'm sorry, I was kind of feel tired because I get up so fast. Because today is Wednesday, September 6th, 2023. I have to get ready. But I'll tell you later to explain once until we're gonna make it to the end of this video. For the next Platabush video was Monster School Fidget Spinner Battle Episode 2. So anyways, enjoy the video. Round 2. Zombie Pigman versus Wither Skeleton. Ready? Ready. Go! That sounds like a fan, doesn't it? His voice sounds like a woman's scream, or girl's scream. What's his idea? Looks like his fidget spinner of the sound fan is stopped. Seriously? That's all he got? Ooh! Right hit the feet on his face. Thinking, huh? Flashback. I guess see. And he's got his idea. Ooh! Mamma mia! Could be critical hit or something. Zombie Pigman won. Who's next? You decide. Next match. To be continued. Excuse me. So everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this to your friends or at school of your classmates for your first day of school, so I'll make some more videos. Before I have to go, did you hear what I said? If you say first day of school, then that's right. Today is my first day of school. I'm now gonna be as 11th grade junior, but I'm close to graduate. Well, it means it's like I'm nearby 11th grade junior. I mean, 12th grade senior. But coming soon on September 2024 for the next 1 year. As for you, my subscribers who's from my Everett High School who subscribed to me, I will get ready and then prepare to be head off on the bus to Everett High School. So I will see you on the other side. So, goodbye.